Hi guys, welcome to this Laser Lab team. Today we are showing you the real welding speed of the X1, as well as the strength of the weld. As you can see, the material for this weld is 0.5 millimeters stainless steel. After adjusting the parameters, it's time to get to work. Here we go. As you can see, the light output mode used by the X1 during the welding process is a pulsed laser mode, not the common continuous laser output mode. It's time for a violent test.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
This is the first simple test we did. We will do more tests later. If you have a good idea, please contact us. Thank you for continuing to follow our team.